Many have asked the question, is there a burn fat fast diet that works? Although diet fads and crash diets might yield temporary results, generally they are unsafe and wreak havoc in your body over the long term. Experts advise to steer clear of anything that promises overnight or immediate results and rather invest your time in developing a burn fat fast diet that works for you. How and when fat is burned and how that affects body fat levels and weight is a very intricate area of physiological research. There have been hundreds of studies exploring the utilization of fat for energy, and there is still much to be understood, but this is what we know for sure: diet and exercise go hand in hand, and both components are to be incorporated into a successful burn fat fast diet. In a nutshell, when your body moves, it needs energy. The amount of energy needed is measured as a calorie, which is a unit of heat. The fuel to produce this energy comes from several sources, mostly fat and carbohydrates, glucose, and occasionally amino acids, protein. These sources of energy are found in the things we eat. A good burn fat fast diet does not mean starving yourself. It simply means that what you eat needs to be well balanced, healthy, and that your portions are appropriately rationed. Fried chicken and burgers, although good tasting, are not going to help your cause. However, there are certain superfoods that will aid you in your quest to burn fat and, more importantly, will help you do so fast. When it comes to fresh fruits and vegetables, there are many wonderful choices such as blueberries, apples, oranges, and tomatoes. These work due to their high fiber content and will help you to feel fuller for longer, aid digestion, and ultimately build up a leaner frame. The most powerful food from this family, however, is the tomato. This superfood contains enzymes that can increase the metabolic rate of the body, thus helping you to burn calories faster and more efficiently. This is a lifesaver on any burn fat fast http://libidoandhealth.com diet and a key to your success when it comes to dropping weight. Also, logically you would need to stay away from high sugar, high starch, and high processed foods. These are absolute no-nos when trying to lose weight. The truth of the matter is, in order to sustain long-term weight loss plan, you need to adopt new habits and keep them for a lifetime. We simply cannot eat whatever we want, whenever we want to, and expect to get away with it. We can eat takeaways occasionally, just not all the time. The most important thing to remember is to take care of yourself as you work to burn the fat. Eating well and exercising regularly should be an integral part of living a healthy lifestyle and will prove to be your best weapon when wanting to burn off unwanted fat and to keep it off for good.